Uyayazi lento lena ukuthi isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi Orlando Pirates can draw or they can lose one of their remaining 2 games as long as they win one of the games.
It's a glitch, it's a chivumvo. Kon ganje man, kon ganje.
Phela-ke kuthiwa lapha eMbombela bekufuneka uthisha we-mathematics wathi yena uyayazi imath kwathiwa woza wathi mefika zathi ingane 1 + 1 wathi yena 2 zaphasa ingane. Hayi okay thema kusuka lapho kwafika uthisha omkhulu waseMbombela wathi uthisha omkhulu waseMbombela 5 - 2 kwathiwa 3 wathi yena i-wrong lo answer ila kabonakale khona ukuthi iziqu wetheni la kuzoneza.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
Ah, wabanai. I try.
Ngifuna ukuthi congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the league. Nginjabulele and everyone is happy for you guys. Kangiyazi kade nagcina sithi congratulations asinamona. I mean, I'm happy for you guys. Bevele besengikhathele ukuthi Sundowns njalo win league. Yeah, nginjabulele. Yeah. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
If Durban City is your Pirates, then Orbit College, if Orbit College is your Orbit College, if Durban City, if Pirates, your way, if meaning Sundown. Ayo, Pirates, Durban College, Orbit. Damn it!
Give us the league already.
Letha leyo nto wena man. Letha leyo nto.
Uko baba.
Siko konda sa Mamelodi Sundowns.
TS Mtalo Orlando Pirates.
Akiphayene mfowethu. Ashungwana. Letha leyo nto. Ayithatha ulamthuthulela. Ulamthuthu uhlulekile wazama
Sisasuper siza izimali zebetwe Premiership.
Aw, Rafi Chayile. Rafi. Siyabonga lakhathathala baba rothokolo raja makhana na visa lombo khotolo
You sure that match was 90 minutes? You're the game just flew by that game. Pure entertainment, high intensity 90 minutes. I think my eyes are even watering because I didn't blink. I was like this the whole game, just watching. What an entertaining game. Mamelodi Sundowns, TS Galaxy, what have you served up for us? What a match. TS Galaxy, well done. TS Galaxy have solidified their place for next season in the Betway Premiership. It was happening in this game. Can you imagine the scenes if Pirates lose their last 2 games? I'm not ready. I cannot even imagine those scenes. It'll be too much. This week can be Saturday already, man. What a match. I don't know where to even start with that game. Okay, Williams, sharpen up. You going to the World Cup. I don't need you misreading the game and every shot you're trying to block with your foot. No. Sharpen up, Williams. Please, you are our number 1. We need you sharp and locked in. Yes, what a game of football. I don't know where to start. So many things are going through my head right now. Nuno Santos, sis. Nuno Santos is a star player. Straight. Nuno Santos will pass you. Nuno Santos will play. Nuno Santos, it's too much. Nuno Santos. But yeah, guys, what a match. Now, Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns, you need to mean. Come order shirts. I will deliver my Minya ring shirts to Clorcop, so you guys need to Minya for Saturday and for the 26th. So much took place in this game. I don't know what to even talk about. My brain is not. I need to drink a Panado. 90 minutes of high intensity. Yo, what a match. What a match. Sundowns and the defenders and mistakes. Hey, Sundowns can give you penalties. Sundowns will be like, here's a penalty. Guys, I actually don't, for the first time I'm speechless. This game was too much for me to handle. Just the mentality monsters at the final hurdle, they stumble. The mentality monsters twerked. When last did I say Mamelodi Sundowns have twerked? That's it. I don't know what to talk about.
Guys, ayikho i-team engisithatha njenge-Sundowns. Ayikho Mamelodi Sundowns, let me paint this picture for you. Ngathi understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Ngathi understand. Nibhizi niyaduduzana ukuthi okay, kusele i-CAF. Leyo CAF le anyike my God, Mamelodi Sundowns. You guys don't understand what you just did. You guys don't understand what you just did to us and yourselves. Niya understand ukuthi anyeke niphinde niwine trophy ku league. The only thing that you guys are good at, you gave it away. You gave it away. Niyazazi ukuthi ama-domestic cup ayanhlula ama-domestic. Oh my God, Mamelodi Sundowns. Ayikho into esinganenzelanga yona, sinizama. The only thing that you are good at in our league, angikhulumi ngabo Champions League, in our league, the only thing that you are good at, you gave it away. Niyazi ukuthi anihlule ama-domestic cup. Niyazi ukuthi you gave it away. You gave it away. Manje nibhizi niyaduduzana ngokuthi niselwela Champions League ngale defense yenu no goalkeeper. I don't know, mhlambe amehlo wenu okumqondweni izovuleka when you guys are out of that Champions League le engicabanga ukuthi nizoyiwina. You know what, whatever.
Mna shem nje anamona ngoba omeza bezophakamisa mna namona. Mna nje omeza ndiyabajabulela. Yebo. Omeza mna ndiyabajabulela mna namona. Anamona. Like ngiyababongisa omeza. Mna shem anamona mna. Futhi akubuhlungwanga nje kwakona. Mna ndi-right mna nje omeza vele kudala ndabafunela ukuthi bayiwine ileague vele i-Sundowns ukudala nje ithatha ileague sephendule i-Betway, i-Premiership, i-Farmers League nje bese fanele kube khona ushintsho nje. Yabona omeza ba-right ngoba bayithathileyo. Ba-right ngoba bayithathile. Yabo mna di-right shame.
Yabona nje indida ke lento eyenzekela kule game. Mamelodi Sundowns ibulewe ngenduku ibulawa i-TS Galaxy, rightfully so. But is this one rightfully so? Anyways, whatever. Yabona, there are two ways we can look at this game. We can either talk about how poor Sundowns was kule game le, or we can talk about how great TS Galaxy was kule game le, and I choose the latter. But first, we need to give credit to Lord Parker. Lord Parker and the players. Come on, dog. Come on. The game plan they had, I never would have imagined ETS Galaxy pressing Sundowns. The intensity, those players were playing for Parker. It's like Parker had instilled some sort of belief on them. Sundowns. Remember, ETS Galaxy didn't have to win this game. They had qualified already for Betway Premiership next season. They secured their status long time ago. Okay, not a long time ago, but they did secure their status. Right, come on. That boy, no disrespect to ETS Galaxy, but that boy deserves to play for Big 3. One of the Big 3. And Janus Ndong Abafet was so fantastic. Great game by ETS Galaxy and Bennett Park. Ukado Sobafet is about to do something else up with Sundowns. Ukado Sobafet ili. Leba ze xosha emsebenzini. Indlela engibona ngayo.